In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an e-signature online that looks real. We're keeping this simple, quick, and free. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional-looking signature you can reuse across documents without any white box around it. Start by opening your browser and heading to a free signature generator. Popular options include signwell.com/online, signature, createfreesignature.com, and signaturely.com, online, signature. Once the page loads, look for the Draw Signature option. This approach is the most realistic because it captures your natural hand movement just like signing on paper. Now, draw your signature using a mouse, a trackpad, or a stylus. If you're on a phone or tablet, your finger or a stylus works well. Before you start, take a breath, relax your hand, and aim for slow, continuous strokes. Signing slightly larger than you normally would helps smooth out curves and reduces jitter. If you make a mistake, use undo or clear and try again. Do a few takes until one feels natural. Next, refine the look. Adjust the thickness so the line isn't too thin to disappear when printed, and not so thick that it looks bold and blocky. A medium stroke usually looks authentic. Choose a color that fits your typical documents. Black is the most common and professional. Dark blue can look realistic too and is easy to distinguish from photocopies. If the tool offers a style or smoothing option, pick the version that looks closest to your pen handwriting without making it look overly perfect. When you're happy with the result, click Download and select PNG with a transparent background. This is important. A transparent PNG sits naturally on any page, so you won't see a white rectangle behind your signature. If the site lets you choose export size or resolution, go for a higher resolution so the edges stay crisp when you resize it later. Save the file to your device and give it a clear name so you can find it quickly in the future. Store it in a secure folder because your e-signature should be protected just like your real signature. As a quick final check, preview the PNG over both a light and dark background to confirm the transparency looks clean with no rough edges. That's it. Visit a free generator, draw your signature, fine-tune thickness and color, download a transparent PNG, and save it for future use. Take your time, draw slowly, and you'll get a natural, realistic e-signature you'll be confident placing on your documents.